Okay. Post on the groups. Now I'm going to measure them with the calipers and see how well we've done. So for the Crossmans, it's about 0.85 at the widest. 0.85 inches. You can see that. And then for the Gamma Match, it's almost the same, maybe a little bit less, or actually a little bit more if you count that flyer. If you count the flyer, it's 0.939. If you don't, it was about a little under half an inch, about 0.423. And then the super points, about 0.83. And then the match again, offhand, let's see, the widest group would be kind of splitting paper. About a 3.74, so under half an inch. Again, that was quick offhand, so not bad shooting, at least with those Gamma Match pellets. And they're shooting somewhere around 380 to about 390 feet per second, so, and pretty consistent. So if you shoot this gun, I'd recommend trying those Gamma Match pellets if you haven't, because so far they've been the best pellet.